Albus, are you ready?
I guess so. Let's go.
Yeah, I can't wait. Let's go already, boys. Yeah, Zoe, you abandoned us, so we're just gonna go. Whoa. We're gonna go like that.
I'm gonna go. Hey, Benji, come look at this.
Okay.
Oh, are you okay? Hey, look, it's you.
I know that. Got it. Kick.
This is pretty cool. Let's go. Keep going. I'm gonna stare at you.
Okay, I'm gonna open the door. Open. I opened it. Yay! Come on, boys, let's go.
Oh, sorry. You just look so fat. Ow, ow. You look so fat in that one. I need to take a break. I was shit in the chair.
Silly, is that how you say it? Wow, I was dying. That's why I was born. Hey, look, that was oh god, that's why I was born, boys.
You just show yes. So tell me about your life. Go on.
Well, I don't want to tell you about my life.
Okay then, let's keep going. Oh, help me! I'm stuck in the door.
I'll help you. I'm back. Let's keep going. Whoa! Boys, you might want to look at this.
No, I do not want to look at that because I think it would be too boring for me to look at. She was a long as something like.
Are you okay? Yeah, it's the old recording studio. Yes, it's the old recording studio.
It is! There's a Benji over there! Hey, Benji! Hey, Benji! I want to see you. Wait for me. I'm going the long way. Boss, are you okay? I don't know how, but you floated, Bendy, boss. It disappeared. See, I'm right here for you, boys. Look at that. See, I'm right here for you, boys. Oh yeah, you are, Bendy. Shaking my butt. Do you like it? Do you like my butt shaking? My butt's shaking. Ah! Well, okay, Betty. I'll wait till you get unstuck. There you go. You got unstuck, Bendy. Yes, I got unstuck. Let's keep going. Come on, get to explore all over the place. We already been here. Hey, look, it's me. Again, boss, where are you? Boss, are you okay? Oh, yes, I'm okay. Let's keep exploring. There's nothing here, Bendy. Let's keep going. Whoa, it's a door. Really? Wow, it's a really great door. You want to open it, okay? There's someone turning the ink machine? Yes! Someone did turn on the ink machine. Now I'm here and I'm gonna kill everybody, including you. Oh no! Boris! What? It's the evil Brandy. Ah! Prepare to die. First, do something. Okay, I'll attack him. Get this, you stupid dog! Or I'm the wolf! Oh no! How could you do that? 'Cause I can. Ha. Oh my gosh, you my friend. You want to talk together? We make cake together. Wait! If they turn on the ink machine, that could only mean one thing. And that one thing wouldn't be that good. Bendy hands! Oh no. That means... Oh no! That could only mean one thing. They got all the clothes! Oh no! Help me! Ah! It's killing me! They're all killing me! Ah! You can't escape me! Escape! No! No. Not boys. Boys, oh no, not you. Oh! Don't kill me! Got a one! Okay, I'm coming. Gotta go. Gotta go. Oh, I gotta kill them. Oh no! I'm gonna die! Oh no! I gotta kill you! You will die too! I will kill you! I will kill you all! I will kill you all! I'll keep holding on! No, no, whoa, 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 whoa! I'm so mad! You guys killed the Bendy! I mean boys, I'm Bendy! You're making me so mad! Boys, you okay? I got you. I'll back you up. Hope he's alive. I'm killing you, ain't I? After that, and then 4 person mode, because it's going to be awesome. Because it's supposed to be awesome. So now, he has a gun! He's killing everybody! He killed his friend. That gun ran out of ammo. And now he's like,
Oh, Boris, are you okay? I know you're injured, but are you okay, Boris? Yes. Yay! Let's go home. Something's gonna help me. But wait. They're just walking home. Let's go. I'm coming. Oh no, the bendies! That's all that happened. Bendy and Boris died later that day. The end.